Hey everybody, Sharif here at SS Customs in Redwood City, California. Today we're gonna go over this XPEL stealth wrapped Tesla Model 3 that we did. You might have seen it in our weekly report before. It's all finished up. Customer's been driving around for a week now. It's back in for its 1 week follow-up, which we have as a protocol for all vehicle wraps or clear bras that are anything film-based that's driving around out there on the road. So today we're gonna do some checkups on all the corners, edges, see if there's any air bubbles that may have formed, and we're gonna go over any touch-ups on anything else in the corners after he's been driving around against wind speed or hot and cold temps outside. Overall, this car came together really good. You saw it on the weekly report. It's got the full body stealth on the factory red paint job. We also did a satin dark gray metallic chrome delete around the windows and all the other chrome bits. And the front and the rear tees, we did those in a satin black paint. And again, this one was wrapped in XPEL Ultimate Stealth. We carry a couple other brands of clear bra paint protection film, like the brand new film of Avery that we were talking about in one of our other films. Suntech is another brand we carry. This particular car has been executed in an XPEL Stealth. It looks great. The wheels match up with the chrome delete really well. So go ahead and take a look at the video. Let us know what you think of this stealth on the red paint. We don't do this color often in stealth, and I think it looks really killer. So check it out, let us know, like, comment, subscribe. As always, thanks for checking out SS Customs.